Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are welcome. Now, one of the causes of your nail breaking and not being strong and also not being white is as a result of dirt getting into your nails, and excessively dipping your hands into water and also not treating your nails. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to treat your nails and have a very white and strong and also long fingernails. All right, so let's dive into the video, and don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video. And alright guys, so for healthy nail growth, we're going to be needing hot waters. Alright, so I have this beautiful flax given by me from YouTube, and I have my hot water in it. Okay, so you can see the flame is actually coming out. Alright, so hot water is actually very good for the nails. Now this actually helps to soften the nails. It helps to kill bacteria, mixing it with other natural great stuff, and it's also a great remedy that helps to glow the skin. Now we're going to also be needing lemon. Lemon is a great remedy. Lemon juice helps brighten weak nails and make them look whiter. Placing lemon juice on the nails and washing your nails with lemon juice helps to kill the microbacteria in the nails, fungus, and also nail infection. And it also helps to leave your nails looking strong. Olive oil helps to strengthen the nails. It helps to moisturize the nails. Applying olive oil on the nails helps to repair damage and helps to strengthen, softer nails. And it also helps for the cuticles, which are this area, and it also helps to strengthen the skin. Then we're going to be needing a little bit of salt. Now salt helps to kill bacteria, it helps to kill germs, and it's mixing salt with lemon, hot water, and all of those natural ingredients would help to leave your nails looking really strong and killing all of the bacteria. Using egg yolk on the nail helps to strengthen the nails. It helps to leave your nails stronger. Now I'm going to be showing you a special way in which you're going to be using egg yolk for nail growth. This is actually going to rapidly grow your nail and leave your nail looking really white, clean, and strong. Alright, so to do that guys, we're going to be needing an empty bowl, and of course we're going to be needing to put in the warm water. Now you don't need your water to be too warm, so I'm actually going to be diluting that. So I'm going to be putting some cold water in this, and you have to test it and see if it is cool enough for your hands or your fingers to go in it. So this is fair enough. So you're going to be putting in salt, and you're going to be putting in a good amount of salt. About 1 tablespoon of salt will be perfect. So it depends on the quantity of your water, because you need a lot of salt in this to kill some of those bacteria, fungus on your nails. And then what you need to do is to stir this water to dissolve all of the salt in the water, okay, so that it gets it working. So after doing that, you would have to cut in the lemon. So I have a greener lemon, and I'm going to be using that. So I'm going to be squeezing in half cut of this lemon, the whole thing, or you can actually squeeze in one full lemon if your water is actually too much. The lemon in pieces. Now, so that we can have the full benefits of this lemon, so you're going to use the lemon and also the zest. You're just going to put it inside the water and then you stir it again. Since I have an artificial nails on my nails, I'm going to be using Elizabeth's fingers. You can see that. Okay, I'm going to be treating her little tiny fingers. Alright, so she's going to be putting that inside the water. Okay, you know, just dip it inside the water and you bring it out. I hope it's not too warm. It's okay. Alright, so you have to make sure that the water is okay for you to dip your hand. So you dip your hands inside the water, you bring it out, you dip your hands again. Each time you dip your hand, you can actually dip it in for like 3 minutes and bring it out. Alright, so after that, then you have to dab your fingers with a towel. Okay. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is to break in the egg. Okay, so you're going to break you're going to just take out the egg yolk. Alright, so this is the white and that's the yolk. Okay, so what you're going to do is to make sure that the yolk is out and then you stir it. So now what you do after washing your nails, then you take this egg yolk and then you apply it onto your nails. Apply like that. Make sure it touches your cuticles. Make sure it touches your cuticles and all of your nails. Alright, so after doing this, guys, you would have to hold it. You would have to hold on for the nails to dry, for this egg yolk to dry in the nail. Okay, now when it dries, that's when you wash it. Right, so you wash everything with this warm water. Okay, you wash it off with the warm water. And then when you're done washing, then you dab it. Okay, and you're gonna be seeing the improvement on your nails. So the last thing you're going to do is to use the olive oil. So you're going to take just a little bit of olive oil and you're going to apply the olive oil on the nails. This is actually going to be the last step of your nails treatment. Okay, so what you do is to massage this into your cuticles. All right, now you do this every day for the space of 2 to 3 weeks and your nails is going to be really strong, growing really fast. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. Do this and let me know how your nails is, because I know it's going to grow your nails really well. Okay guys, so you can see that egg does a lot of stuff. Like, it helps you to make your nail really thick and healthy. And also the olive oil helps you to grow your nail really long and white. Okay, so that's it. Go try it out, give it a little time to work out, and you are going to be seeing that it's going to work so well for you. Alright, if you did enjoy watching the video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you again. Take care. Bye.